Nature is full of conflicts, but some of the most intense battles are happening right under our noses. While we often imagine the animal kingdom as a delicate balance of predator and prey, a hidden war is taking place in unexpected ways. This isn't about lions hunting gazelles or wolves chasing deer. This is a war between species that most people never notice. From urban streets to deep forests, animals are engaged in battles for survival, territory, and dominance. What makes this war so fascinating is that it's happening in plain sight, yet it remains largely unnoticed by humans. Could we be missing one of nature's most dramatic struggles? Take the ongoing feud between crows and owls. Crows, known for their intelligence and teamwork, have been observed attacking owls in coordinated swarms. Whenever an owl is spotted near a crow's territory, the crows sound the alarm, summoning their allies to mob the intruder. Why do crows see owls as enemies? One reason is that owls are silent hunters that pose a major threat to young crows. In retaliation, crows launch relentless attacks, harassing owls until they leave the area. Some researchers believe this deep-seated animosity between crows and owls has been evolving for centuries, passed down through generations as a survival instinct. Then there's the battle between squirrels and birds over food sources. Bird feeders have become battlegrounds where squirrels use their agility and persistence to steal seeds meant for birds. Some birds have adapted by developing strategic feeding behaviors, such as feeding in shifts or communicating about food availability through intricate calls. Still, squirrels continue to outmaneuver them, leading to an ongoing struggle for dominance. Even ants are engaged in warfare. Different ant species fight for territory, launching full-scale invasions against rival colonies. Some species deploy specialized warrior ants, while others use chemical warfare by releasing toxins that wipe out competitors. Leafcutter ants, for example, raise fungal crops underground, but parasitic ant species infiltrate their colonies, attempting to steal resources and kill their workers. One of the most unexpected conflicts is happening between dolphins and sharks. While sharks are feared predators, dolphins are not defenseless. Pods of dolphins have been seen attacking sharks, ramming them with their powerful snouts to drive them away. These battles may be defensive, as dolphins work together to protect their young from potential shark attacks. Some researchers suggest that dolphins have developed sophisticated battle tactics, using coordinated maneuvers to confuse and disorient sharks. But some animal wars are even more shocking. Octopuses have been observed throwing objects at each other in territorial disputes, flinging shells and debris to assert dominance. In the jungles of South America, jaguars and caimans engage in a never-ending battle for supremacy, with jaguars ambushing caimans in shallow waters. Meanwhile, in the Arctic, polar bears and walruses are locked in a brutal struggle as melting ice forces them into more frequent encounters. Walruses use their massive tusks to defend themselves, while polar bears have been seen using deceptive tactics to lure them onto unstable ice. The war isn't just between species. Some animals fight within their own ranks. Male lions sometimes kill cubs to eliminate competition and assert dominance within a pride. Hyena clans clash in brutal battles over territory, with high-ranking females leading the charge. And in the insect world, beehives engage in all-out combat against rival hives, sending waves of soldier bees to fight for honey and resources. Some conflicts are fueled by human influence. As cities expand, urban wildlife is forced into closer contact, increasing competition for space and food. Rats and pigeons battle over scraps in city streets, while foxes and raccoons fight for dominance in suburban neighborhoods. Some city animals have even developed new strategies to outcompete rivals, such as raccoons learning to open trash bins and pigeons adjusting their foraging habits based on human activity. Even invasive species play a role in this hidden war. Non-native species often disrupt local ecosystems, triggering aggressive battles with native wildlife. For example, invasive cane toads in Australia secrete toxins that have devastated local predators, disrupting the balance of power in the ecosystem. Meanwhile, in the United States, introduced European starlings aggressively compete with native birds, taking over nesting sites and driving other species away. In the Florida Everglades, Burmese pythons, an invasive species, are outcompeting native predators like alligators, shifting the entire food chain. These unexpected battles show that the natural world is far from peaceful. Every day, animals are engaged in struggles that shape their survival and evolution. But what does this hidden war mean for us? By understanding these conflicts, scientists can better predict changes in ecosystems and help protect endangered species. It also reminds us that nature is constantly adapting, with animals finding new ways to compete, survive, and thrive. Could our actions be tipping the scales in some of these wars? Climate change, habitat destruction, and pollution all play a role in shifting the balance of power in these ongoing battles. Warmer temperatures are driving species into new territories, leading to unexpected clashes. Animals that were once separated by geographical barriers are now forced into competition as their environments change. One example is the migration of marine animals due to warming ocean temperatures, leading to conflicts between species that rarely encountered each other before. Perhaps the most fascinating part of this hidden war is that it's still unfolding. With every new discovery, we gain insight into the intricate competitive world of the animal kingdom. Scientists continue to uncover new battles, from fights over mating rights to long-standing rivalries between species. Some experts even suggest that as humans continue altering landscapes, we might inadvertently be creating new animal battlefields where species clash in ways never seen before. While we may not always see it, this unexpected animal war is happening all around us. And the more we learn, the more we realize just how little we know about the hidden struggles shaping the natural world. Could these battles be shaping the future of evolution right before our eyes? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain: the war for survival never stops in the animal kingdom.